Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2019 Volkswagen GTI SE. This is finished in pure white, powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a dual clutch automatic gearbox. Stainless steel dual exhaust with chrome tips. This is equipped with the SC Experience package, so enlarged rear stabilizer, 4-mode DCC adaptive chassis control, and Fender premium audio. Going to start up here at the driver front wheel, and as you can see, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. 225/40/18 Bridgestone Potenza tires. And back here at the driver rear, same as the front, great shape. Actually, there's a small spot of curb rash right there on the edge of the lip. Bright red brake caliper stuck behind those wheels. Got backup camera. And back here at the passenger rear, same as the other two, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. And finally up here at the passenger front, this one's got a little discoloration. This might have been from a prior repair to the wheel. But overall, really good shape. Take you to the interior. We have a Titan black leather interior with red contrast stitching. All-weather floor mats. Got the roadside assistance kit. First row power sunroof. Power exterior mirrors. Nice big digital display there for your multimedia. It is equipped with Apple CarPlay. You've got 3-stage heated front seats. Keyless start. And your multi-function steering wheel. Got some aftermarket gear selectors there. Look like maybe a rose gold, reddish, maybe an anodized material there. And current mileage, 10,013. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call here, 614-793-1050. Lots of photos of this vehicle on our website. You can check those out at autoassets.com.